Hello, it is March the 30th, 2020, and I'm here today with my beautiful kids. Hi guys.
My name is Owen, I am 11.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm 6, almost 7.
So we got a shipment from Creative Memories and we actually don't know what is in it. And my kids are going to open it up and they are products that we're going to use to create something for CMTV that's brand new. Take it away.
I'm going to cut it with these bad boys.
A bunch of bubble wrap.
We got a tape runner refill.
Wow,
we got
repositional tape runner.
We got one of these.
What is
flowers.
it, Sarah?
Flower.
Do you know what it says? Can I see it?
Floral.
Oh, the floral 6x6 circle punch.
The foam squares.
Foam
the
squares.
ABCs.
Okay, slow down, guys. You're so excited. What are
White sans serif.
So those are letters.
Yep.
Paper.
What else did you get? Some white paper.
Playtime paper.
Oh, those are the theme packs. Can you just show? Let's
Play,
have a look at them.
Love.
Wow.
Puppy
the
love.
Puppy love. Show this one again. Playtime. What else do we got? Oh,
We have
the Easter blessings. These are the theme packs. Oh, one fell.
It's kind of
Oh wow. So we got about 4 theme packs, some white cardstock. Any ideas what we might make, guys?
A scrapbook maybe.
A scrapbook maybe.
Couple pages.
What else could you maybe think of making? Maybe
We
some
could make
cards.
a border.
Could make some borders. Could make some cards and send them to some people we haven't seen in a while.
Like
Right?
our friends.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we will report back. See you later.
Bye.